This is how to make a choose your own adventure story using Google Forms from the Teacher Tutor. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go into Google Drive. If you're not sure how to get there, go to your Gmail account, go to the 9 dots at the top of the page and click on Google Drive, which is a triangle. The next thing you're going to do is you need Google Forms. So new Google Form. So over here, you're going to have your title of your story. And what I love about Google Forms is I click over here and there's the title. Over here, you're going to have a description with a decision that your reader needs to make. You are in a haunted castle. Do you go upstairs? Question mark, and we'll put a capital over here. Do you go downstairs? Question mark. Click edit. Now I want the reader to make a decision. They have to make a decision here. So I make this required. I also want them to go to different answers. So I need new sections. So over here's my section, and I'm going to call this section upstairs to remind myself. And then I'm going to create another section called downstairs. So I remind myself that's where the answers are going. Section 2, section 3. So section 2, I want this answer to go to section 2. So I go to the 3 different dots, go to section based on answer. Over here, I'm going to make it go to upstairs. Over here, next section 2, I'm going to make it go to section 3. So when the person clicks on it, they get a different answer. For today, I'm going to make it quite simple. This is just a description. So if I click over here, I can make them make another choice, or it could be the ending. It is too scary. That's more of a description. You could make more choices here. I've decided I'm going to keep this simple for this video, so I'm just going to delete this. Upstairs, downstairs, and you can choose where they're going to go from here. If I want to check if this is working, I go over here to the eye. It says you're in a haunted castle. Do you go upstairs, downstairs? If I click on upstairs, do I see the word upstairs? Yes. So I'll go back. If I click on the word downstairs, I see the word downstairs. Click next. And over here, you can have more descriptions, taking them to more different places one at a time. Hope you enjoy this.